Hey guys, Ricardo and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where AVG will not uninstall. So if you're having issues where for some stupid reason AVG just keeps on refusing to uninstall, you'll get a bunch of errors. For example, you might get a weird error with a code, or basically if you go into uninstall control panel, it's basically either not there or for some reason it's telling you it cannot install. It's continually errors no matter what you try. Now, of course, there are several things you'll need for this tutorial. Number one, you'll need the AVG removal tool, or of course there's another AVG cleaning tool. Now if you have already gotten these and they have failed, and that's because you're not running them in safe mode. So this is what I did to get rid of it on my PC. So what I'm going to show you is how to reproduce the situation. Alright, so first of all, you're going to go down into the description and download both files. You'll mainly use the removal tool, but just in case you have the other tool, which is the cleaner. So we're going to focus on the removal tool. So once you do that and download both files, what you can do here is you're going to just go ahead and since this is Windows 10, you're going to just power and restart, and of course you're going to allow the PC to boot up back to the login screen. I'll show you as soon as you read. Alright guys, so once you're booted back to the login screen, and remember this is only for Windows 10, for other versions such as Windows 7 and so on, you'll have to actually find out how to boot into safe mode. So since Windows 10 is the latest version of operating systems, first thing I do is going to look down here, and of course you're seeing this option over here. You're going to hit power, and once you hit power guys, as you're seeing here, on your keyboard hold on shift. So you're going to hold on shift, and of course you're going to hit restart. So you're going to keep holding shift while selecting restart in the bottom right. Alright, and of course now that you do that, you're going to come to this screen. Now of course this is because it's a special boot menu. From here you're going to select troubleshoot. Remember, for other devices such as Windows 7 or older devices, you're going to actually figure out how to boot into safe mode with networking. Next, you're going to go to advanced options. Once you're in advanced options, you're going to do startup settings, and of course you're going to get this option here, and you're going to restart. Alright, once you're here guys, you're going to get a bunch of options. As you see, you have enable debugging, enable safe mode, which is number 4, or enable safe mode with networking, that's number 5. So you're gonna hit either F5 or 5 on the keyboard. So we're gonna need enable safe mode with networking. You can see this on, so I'm doing off screen. I'm gonna hit 5, and of course the system is gonna reboot in safe mode, and you should realize the safe mode as it's gonna be low resolution. Notice the icons have gotten much bigger. I'm gonna go ahead and log in. Alright, you'll also notice that the icons are kind of low resolution and stuff are quite big. So if you look over here, you'll notice I have the AVG removal tool. Now as I said, I'm just reproducing this tutorial. I've already removed AVG. Of course you can also try the cleaner or so on, which is the second link. So we're going to use the AVG remover. What you're going to do is, since it's not on this, I'm just going to show you what would happen. Basically you would launch, and of course from here you'll hit continue, and once you run through the tutorial of hitting continue and so on, it will scan your system and find any traces of AVG, and once it's done its thing, what should happen is that the program should uninstall AVG even if it was failing before. So for those who are having issues, this should solve the problem. Alright, so of course you won't be able to do anything else. Most programs will not open in this mode as it's a low utility mode. And of course, how do you know you're in the mode? You can look up here. You'll notice that it shows the build number and so on. Alright, so basically what you're going to realize is that this is the only way to remove AVG and other programs that are giving issues. You can come in here and try to uninstall manually, or you could actually use the AVG removal tool or the cleaner. Just remember that you can find both links in the description. Of course, there's also a detailed article over the website which you can also read to actually show you exactly what to do in case you're having issues following here in this tutorial. Alright guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.